Get all your homeschooling questions answered without having to scour the internet and without having to reveal personal information on Facebook groups. Let's jump right into how to use the Homeschool Advisor GPT, which is a customized ChatGPT model that is customized specifically for homeschooling. First, if you haven't signed up for access, check out the link below the video and sign up to get access. Okay, so once you access the Homeschool Advisor, this is what you will see, specifically if you do not already have an account with ChatGPT. So you'll need to create that free account first. So you'll want to sign up to do that. One hint is to save off the link to access the Homeschool Advisor. So after you're logged in, you can just paste that link back in and get back to the Homeschool Advisor. Okay, so once you've accessed the Homeschool Advisor, this is what you'll see, and this is the area that we're interested in. And so as you can see, there are 4 example prompts just to give you an idea of what kinds of questions or help you can get. But I'm going to run through 3 quick examples just to give you an insight into how to use it and what the typical results are. And then I will paste a link to this chat, Homeschool Advisor chat, in the comments below, so you can go and look at the results in detail. So we're going to start with our first example. So I'm going to say, write a sample letter of intent to withdraw my child from public school in New York. And of course you would put whatever state you're in, but this is one thing that you can do. And so here, Homeschool Advisor is just outlining a sample letter or email that you can send to your school to withdraw your child. And if you didn't like that letter, or for some reason, you could always do regenerate, and it would give you a second option. It does retain the first one, so you can go back to it, but there's just different wording or different style usually. So those are 2 options for writing a letter or an email. So here's our second example. What's a good project-based science curriculum for my 5th grader who needs to move a lot? So this is where you can get very specific on what your needs are, and curriculum recommendations are a good thing to use the Homeschool Advisor for. So as you can see, it has real science odyssey, a description of this curriculum, its features, the format, the website for multiple choices. And then at the end it asks, would you like to know more about any of these options? And you can follow up and go deeper into any of these options. So for my third example, just to kind of show you the variety of things that you can ask it or get help from it for, help me set up a homeschooling schedule. So I like how it goes and puts in table format a sample schedule that you can take, and you can read it, the different options that it gives you, and just something for you to consider, but it can be very, very helpful, as you could see. So I'm going to paste the link to this chat in the comments below, so you can go through and look at the detailed output of everything that it came up with. I'm Jill Bauman, founder of Self-Directed Success, and I'd love to hear how you use Homeschool Advisor. So let me know in the comments below what you found useful or what questions you have. I'd love to hear from you. And remember to subscribe to this channel. Until next time.